Getting annoyed that Messenger calls keep showing up in your iPhone's call history? Don't worry, I'll show you how to stop that fast. Turn off iCloud access for Messenger. Open Settings. Tap your Apple ID. Scroll down and tap iCloud. Tap See All. Scroll down and find the Messenger app. Turn it off. Also, find the phone and FaceTime apps here and toggle them off as well. Use Focus Mode. You can use Focus Mode to filter out certain types of calls, including those from apps like Messenger. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Focus Mode, like Do Not Disturb, or create a new one. Under Allowed Notifications, customize which apps can send notifications and make calls. This can help manage when and how Messenger calls show up. Additional tip: clear call log entries. If Messenger calls still appear in your call log, you can manually delete them. Open the phone app. Go to the Recents tab. Swipe left on any Messenger call entry and tap Delete. That's all for today. Now you know how to prevent Messenger calls from showing up in your iPhone's call log and keep your history organized. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.